Since international relations is an integral part of political science, we teach many courses in that particular field. For example, international relations in itself, history of diplomacy, political economy, and foreign languages.
I like the most the political courses. Then we have the economic block and political science. Also, we have lots of elective courses, and it means that you can basically study what you want and what you're interested. The learning is not just the theory, but we are learning the ways how to use that theory and how to put it in practice.
Students have a lot of chances to meet professionals who are working in the field of international relations, like foreign ambassadors and internationally recognized scholars. Our team of scholars, lecturers and instructors come from all over the world, from the United States, Europe, Asia, and Oceania.
I like that the environment is very international because in our course there are many students from all over the world.
Our field of study is relatively young. What it means for our students is that anybody can make a difference. We would like our students to be brave and take their active part in building a new international system.
I would recommend to study international relations in Tallinn because the educational quality is high here and the people will study what they are interested and what is important for their career development. And also living in Estonia is quite convenient.